Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow turn screen on permission on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we go down and tap on apps. Next, in here, tap on the More button at the top. Then from the pop-up, tap on Special Access. Now in here, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Turn Screen On. Then in here, in the list of apps, you want to go down and tap on the toggle button to grant or denied turn on screen permission to the app. So for example, if I tap on the toggle button on Alibaba to switch it off, then this app will no longer be able to have the ability to turn screen on. Otherwise, I can switch it on. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.